All right, fifth grade math. You do have another review sheet today. I do want to touch base with you on a few things. Get your math books out and open them to page 273. I just want to touch on just maybe two different sections with you. Okay, so on page 273, section 3. There are some of these on your test, so I want to make sure that we do discuss this, make sure everyone understands. I feel like you do, but I don't want to just assume, okay? So letter A on section C says 90 feet is blank times as long as 10 feet. So when we're talking about as long as or as something as, then we are going to divide. So 90, we're going to divide our first number by the second number. 90 divided by 10 is 9. Letter B says 48 quart is blank times as many as 6 quart. We're going to say our first number first, divide it by our second number, 6. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. That is how you will find those answers. Go ahead and look at section 4 right next to it. It says write the correct fraction. It's already telling you that your answer is going to be a fraction, not a whole number. 6 days is what part of 36 days? So 6 days is what part of 36 days? Now, that is how the fraction would be, but that fraction can be reduced. So your answer on your paper must be 1/6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Okay? So you're going to write your answer in its lowest form. 10 girls is what part of 24? 10 girls is what part of 24? And of course that can be reduced. So you have to write your reduced answer. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay, so that is how you will complete those two sections. And then look over at section 7 on page 274. On page 274, section 7, reduce to lowest terms. Use your divisibility rules. Some of you get so lazy on these, and it's so frustrating to me because I know that you can do it. You're just choosing not to think. And when you choose not to think to do your best, then that's a form of laziness. And it just is frustrating because I like to see you get the best grades that you can get. I like to know that you're doing your best every day, or most every day. Some days, all of us just have a day where, whew, let me just lay my head down. I get that. But most every time, we should be doing our very, very best. So reduce those to lowest terms. Divisibility rules should be found in the back of your book, I would think. Okay? All right, so you're just completing your interactive worksheet to complete your math lesson for today. Do your best, guys.